guys. So yesterday you would have seen that I posted a video on how I dye my papers and lay them out on the grass in the sun to dry. But I uploaded the video a bit prematurely because I actually wanted to show you the results. So I meant to show you the results and join the two videos together. And but yeah, I forgot and I just uploaded the video yesterday. But anyway, I'll just quickly show you the results. So these were the green ones that you saw on the grass. I just did some little plain envelopes that my dad gave me. And I think they turned out super cute. This is just using that food colouring that I showed you in the video yesterday. But the little patterns, they're really, really super cute. So these I was going to use in some Christmas journals that I've started. And these were the green papers. This is not actually normal photocopy paper. It's a lot smaller. I found a whole ream of it. It was some really old paper wrapped in that old green paper that I found at reverse garbage ages ago. And I use this because I plan to put these papers in the little Golden Book Christmas journals. And these pages are a lot smaller than the regular photocopy papers, so I won't have to chop them down to size. But look how they look from the side. So delicious. I love them. This was a apple green, but look at the little... This is what I was talking about in the video yesterday. If you hang them up on a clothesline to dry like that, all the excess coffee or dye, whatever you're using at the time, it drips off, and so you don't get this pooling effect. And maybe that's what you want, but I thought I'd show you my way because a lot of people ask, how do I get this effect? And it's just because I sit them flat on the grass and all the excess dye or coffee pools, and when that dries, it leaves these gorgeous, gorgeous little marks. Anyway, so that was the green papers. And I think they turned out really, really gorgeous. Like, look at that. So pretty. Anyway, so those were the green ones. I also did some red, but the red looks a bit pink. But I still like how they turned out. Actually, the red looks a lot pink. So, a bit cliche, red and green for Christmas, but I don't use scrapbook papers, so I do have a few, but I wanted to pretty the journals up a bit, make them a bit bright and fun. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? I really love these little effects. They look like little amoebas. Look at that. Little single-celled organisms. They're so cute. Anyway, that was the red ones. And now Sue Freeman said that I should have done some yellow ruffles when I made my Christmas ruffles a few videos back, because in Australia, Christmas, it's summer here, and so not only is it summer, it's like scorching hot in Sydney and Queensland, actually almost everywhere. But so I did think I'll do some yellow ones, and it's also, I suppose, like gold for Christmas, you know. So these turned out really cute as well. I didn't think the yellow would look so nice, but yeah, really pale yellow here with the pooling effects as well. And actually, I think the yellow might be my favourite, surprisingly. I really like how they turned out. I didn't actually do as many yellow because I thought they wouldn't look that good, but I might do some more if I need. But the envelopes turned out super cute as well. Anyway, that was all. I thought I would just show you because I jumped the gun yesterday and didn't show you the results. But that's it. Food coloured dyed papers. that I'll be using in Christmas journals. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.